So this is our original driveway in this video. Give you 2 simple steps. Check it out. This is old and wow. So how do you maintain your asphalt driveway? What do you do with these huge cracks? Let me show you. Step number 1, get it professionally sealed. Call 3 different places, find the best quote, and just get it done. It's going to transform the way it looks. Significant gaps will still have cracking with this hot sealant that they put on it. We're going to take care of those in step number 2. Go to the store, get yourself a bottle of asphalt crack filler, and I'll put links down below, of course. You're going to take care of all these little cracks that the hot sealer did not fully cover. It may have fallen through a little bit, got most of the crack, but we're going to take care of it manually. Use a glove, not your bare finger like this guy right here, idiot, and just work your way through there. You can use a trowel or a paint scraper to kind of push it into the gaps, and you want to seal that up as much as you can, and that takes care of the small gaps and some of the larger gaps that are left over. I took about 4 bottles, and this was it. Made the driveway look really nice. Now it's protected with the kids riding on it, and of course winter and whatnot. So hopefully this helps you out. Cheers. It's like a sea of black, beautiful lava or magma. Look at that. Okay, I'm weird.